Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can auto share your YouTube videos on Facebook page. Suppose you are an YouTuber or an influencer and you post regularly on your YouTube channel, and to promote your videos you also want to post it on your Facebook page where you have a community that follows you. But posting the video on two different platforms is time consuming, and to save your time and efforts I have a solution. So with the help of Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing software for automation and integration, we can automate this entire process and it requires zero coding, and this will save your time and energy. So here we are going to build a connection between YouTube and Facebook, and we are going to integrate these two applications together such that whenever we will post a new video on YouTube channel, then we will create a new post with the same YouTube video on our Facebook page automatically. So let's go to my computer screen and integrate with Pabbly Connect. And here on my screen, I have my YouTube channel and this is my Facebook page that I'm going to use. So my Facebook page is named as Pabbly. So I'm going to use this particular page. And to integrate these two applications, I'm going to open a new tab and search for pabbly.com. And this will take us to this landing page of Pabbly. Here we have two options, sign in and sign up for free. If you don't have any account with Pabbly, you can just sign up for free and it will take only 2 minutes of your time and you will get hundreds of tasks free every month. Or if you already have an account, you can just sign in and you will get to see this page. So these are all the apps that Pabbly offers, and we are going to use Pabbly Connect here. For that, I'm going to click here on Access Now button under Pabbly Connect. And this will direct us to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here, this is the workflow section and we can see all the workflows that we will create here. And this is the folder section. We can create new folder and we can save any workflow in any particular folder that we want. Here, our objective is to create a new workflow. For that, I'm going to click here on Create Workflow button and this window will pop up. Here, I have to name my workflow. So I'm going to name it as my objective, which is to auto share YouTube videos on Facebook page, and I'm going to select the folder where I want to save my workflow. So I'm going to select home here and I will click on create. And this will take us to this most important window of our workflow. Here we have two boxes, trigger and action. So these are the two main principles on which our workflow works on. And trigger says when this happens, action say do this. So trigger is going to be the first step that will get executed in our workflow and action will just follow that. So we need to set up our trigger first. And here my trigger application will be YouTube. So I'm going to search for that and I'm going to select this. Here I have to give a trigger event. So I'm going to open this tab. New video in channel with video URL will be my trigger event. So I'm going to select this. And I will connect YouTube with Pabbly Connect. So I'll click here on connect. I'm going to click here on add new connection and I will connect with YouTube. Now I will click on continue to give access to my account. And my connection here is successful. Now I have to select my channel ID. So for that I will open this tab, and in this tab you will find all the channel IDs for your YouTube channel. So I'm going to select this demo channel. Now I'm going to post a new video on YouTube. So let's go back to YouTube. So this is my YouTube channel and here I'm going to post a new video. So I'll click here on create. I will click on upload videos. I'm going to select file. And I'm going to post this video. So I'm going to click on open. Now I will give a description. So my description will be, this is for testing. And I'm going to click on next and I will fill all the required details here. I will make this video public. I will click on publish. So I have published this new video on my YouTube channel and the description of this video is, this is for testing. So I'm going to go back to Pabbly Connect. And now I'm going to click on Save and Send Test Request button. And here I got this new response. So this is my video URL. And this is my video description, which is this is for testing. And this is my channel name, which is demo channel. So I got this response from YouTube, but if you don't get this response instantly, then don't worry. This is a polling based response. So this might gonna take some time for about 10 minutes. And in every 10 minutes, you will get the new responses from YouTube on Pabbly Connect. So I have this video URL and the description for my video. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to post the same video on my Facebook page. So for that, I have to set up my Actions tab. So I will open this tab and here I will search for my action application, which is Facebook Pages. I'm going to select this. Now I have to give an action event. So I will open this tab and create page post will be my action event. So I'm going to select this and I will click on connect. I will click on add new connection. I will connect with Facebook Pages. I'm going to click on continue to give access to my account. And my connection here is successful. Now to create a new post, I have to fill these 3 details. And first I have to select my Facebook page. So let's go back to Facebook. And here, this is my Facebook page that I'm going to use and it is named as Pabbly. So I'm going to create a new post in this particular page. So let's go back to Pabbly Connect. And to select my page, I'm going to open this tab. In this tab, you will find all the pages that are connected with your Facebook account. And here I'm going to search for my page. So my page is Pabbly. So I'm going to select this page. Now I have to give a message for my post. And in the message, I'm going to map the description of my video. So here I'm going to use mapping. So what mapping is a technique through which I can retrieve the data from the previous tabs and the data that is changing will get replaced with the new data in the real time. So for mapping, I'll click here. I'm going to open this response of YouTube. And in this, I have this description. This is for testing. So this is the description of my YouTube video. So I'm going to select this. So this is going to be the message for my post. And now I have to select my link URL. In this link URL, I'm going to link my video URL. So I'm going to click here. I'm going to open this response. And this is my video URL of my YouTube video. So I'm going to select this. And I have filled all my details here. Now I'm going to click on Save and Send Test Request button. And here we have this positive response. So this has generated this post ID. So this means I have created a new post in my Facebook page. So to check this, let's go to Facebook. And this is my page. So I'm going to refresh this. And in this post section, I can see that I've just posted this new post. So this is the same video that I have posted on my YouTube channel. So I'm going to open this link. So we can see this is the same video that I have posted on my channel, which is demo channel. And the description is this is for testing. I will close this. And in my post, I have this message, which is this is for testing. So this is the description of my video. And this is the video link. So this is the same video that I have posted on my YouTube channel. And I'm also promoting this on my Facebook page. So my integration between YouTube and Facebook is working successfully. So let's go back to Pabbly Connect. And here I have created this integration between YouTube and Facebook such that whenever I'm posting a new video on my YouTube channel, then I'm creating a new post on my Facebook page with the same video that I have posted on my YouTube channel. So now with this integration, you can have a better reach to your audience, you can promote your video and your channel together, and you can save your time and energy. So now let Pabbly Connect help you in growing. So let's summarize what we did here. First, I have set up my trigger and my trigger application was YouTube and my trigger event was new video in channel with video URL. Then I have set up my action and my action application here is Facebook pages and my action event was create page post. So this is how I have successfully created this workflow, and you can also create this workflow by following all the steps that I did in my workflow. And I'm also going to put the link of my workflow in the description so you can check it out from there. And thank you for watching this video.
Not just these applications, you can automate and integrate a lot more applications like this using Pabbly Connect. If you need any help or if you have any doubt, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can post them at forum.pabbly.com, or if you have any issue with the pricing of Pabbly, you can connect on this link. And if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.